I am sitting in a 2020 Toyota Camry. This is the version with the push start. We're going to be adding a prox key in. I have one existing key here. And I have one unprogrammed OEM key here. Now let's run through the procedure. First thing is, turn your hazard lights on. You can see them on. Go down to Camry. 2020. Smart key number 4. Hazards are on. Always check your key count. There's probably no more than 2. We're going to go to program a key. Yes. Okay. We're going to take the original key and touch the start button. And then it'll beep. So we have to press enter. And here we go. Touch the start button. You got one beep. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the next key and touch it. We got 2 beeps. That's successful. Now we're just going to have to wait. Our push button is right here next to the column. And our OBD2 port is right above the emergency brake on the bottom left of the driver's kick panel. Okay, procedure is complete. Double check your key count. 3. Unplug our machine. Turn off our hazards. Take our remote. Once the remotes are programmed, it'll respond once you press any of these buttons twice. Once, twice, responded. Locks, unlocks. That's the new one. Old one. Locks, unlocks. Push the start button. And it's on. We are done.